I'll show you how to install mods in Minecraft on your phone. For this, you'll need Minecraft itself and the mods. Go to any browser and search for mods for Minecraft PE Pocket Edition or Bedrock Edition. Now go to the site, yes, and choose the mod you need. Then download it. Yes, you need to find the button here. This mod is free, yes. You need to scroll down and here's the download button. Click it, complete the captcha and wait. Click, select the mod you need and hit download. Now open it, yes it's downloading, open it and Minecraft will launch automatically. In Minecraft, see the settings are already installed. We need to find the mods. Resources can be found when creating a world. To do this, click play. Create a new world. New world. And here, as you can see, are the packs. There. Well, here are the mods. And activate it. That's all. This was by everyone.